Mm. So in a hydrogen molecule, what we can say, చూడండి. So we are having hydrogen and hydrogen. So as electronegativity difference is zero, okay, as both are having same, both hydrogens having same electronegativity, both hydrogen atoms having same electronegativity, okay, this molecule is said to be non-polar covalent bond or non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecule. Okay. Now, for example, if I'm taking hydrogen chlorine, if I'm taking, so we know chlorine electronegativity is more, no? So then this bond is slightly shift towards the chlorine. That means what we can say, this hydrogen bond we will have partial negative charge on this and partial positive charge on this. Okay, so as because of this, that means the electron density because chlorine has high electronegative than hydrogen. Okay, so because of this, what we can say, H bond and Cl minus is there, no? So because of this partial, what we can say, as we can see, it is positive pole. Okay, this is positive pole and this is negative pole. So as these two pole molecules are, these two positive pole and negative pole is separated by some charge, so that we can say it is a dipolar. We can say it is a dipolar molecule. We can say, okay, na? So this is about the polarity and non-polarity of a molecule. దాని తర్వాత వచ్చేసరికి మనకి క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కోవలెంట్ బాండ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అనమాట.
Sir, could you repeat dipolar, sir?
Dipolar means di means two, polar means having two poles, like one positive pole and negative pole.
Yes, sir.
Because of electronegativity, that actually
Yes.
shared electron density, that electron density between the atoms are slightly attracted towards the electronegative atom.
So it's attracted towards chlorine, sir, and
Okay.
it has minus.
Yes, slightly it will attract towards the chlorine. So because of this only we are saying that it is a dipolar molecule,
Okay,
we can
sir.
say.
Just
Okay,
slightly
na?
only, sir.
Slightly only it will be there, not
Completely means
completely.
it both will be negative, no, sir.
No, if it is completely means the bond is going to break here.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Next one. Next point is uh, దీని తర్వాత వచ్చేది మనకి ఏం చెప్తా ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మల్టిపుల్ బాండ్స్ చెప్పాం, సిగ్మా బాండ్స్ చెప్పాం, పై బాండ్స్ చెప్పాం కదా. దాని తర్వాత వచ్చేది మీకు am I told
Sir,
you about
what,
octet
sir?
rule?
Yes, sir.
Octet duplet configuration.
You told, sir, all the noble gases will have.
Okay, fine.
What, sir?
Next
What, sir?
one, octet and duplet configuration. Why the ASS? I told you this.
No, sir.
Okay. Next one.
Sir told station.
Okay. Next one. Sound it. Next one. How we are going to represent molecules. చూడండి దీంట్లో మనం చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే సో ఇన్ ఏ బాండ్ ఫార్మేషన్ ది shared uh, pairs of electrons present between the atoms are called bond pair. Bond pairs. And mm, valence electrons which are not involved in bond formation is called bond formation is called lone pairs. For example, if I'm taking N2, uh, likewise only we will write now. Do you remember? By using these electrons, it is forming stability, and by using this, we are getting 8 electrons in each, which results N triple bond N. And now see these electrons are known as lone pair of electrons. We can say what we can say these electrons are called lone pair of electrons. Okay, and in between these are called bond pair of electrons. Okay, na? Have you understood? Next one, how we are going to write the Lewis representation for the molecules. Simply, how we can write the Lewis structures or Lewis dot structures. Lewis dot structures. So, how we are going to write the Lewis dot structures? Okay, how we are going to write the Lewis dot structures? Lewis dot structures. First, what we need to, there are particular steps are there for writing Lewis dot structures. First one, what we need to do, first step we need to do, I will write as a step first. Calculate total number of get the total number of valency electrons.
Sir, this is all about covalent bond only, sir.
It is new concept, Nana. Covalent bond already we have done. Okay,
Sir,
this is new
sir, but
concept.
are there, but there are another two or three bonds, no, sir.
Which one?
After covalent bond, sir.
After covalent bond?
Sir, you said only about covalent bond, no, sir. Other bonds.
That will come now. I will discuss now after all these concepts.
Okay, sir.
This one, Day to bond you are asking, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Let me go with the, after this DH dot structures, I will go with this. Okay, 1 second, students.
Sir, after this, once could you go to the previous slide?
Valence electrons of atoms present in the molecule. Next, step 2. In case of anion,
Sir, once could you
add
go
the
to the
number of
previous slide?
electrons.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Uh, Add the number of
Sir, once could you
electrons
go to previous slide?
which are equal to 1 second.
Okay.
Negative charge of the anion and in case of cation, okay, that means in case of anion we need to add the electrons, whereas in case of cation we need to subtract the electrons. Okay,
How many electrons should we subtract, sir?
equal to which is charge, no? Equal to positive charge of the cation I have written, no?
Okay, so how much charge is there that we have to add for anion, subtract for cation?
Yes.
Okay. So previous.
And step 3, see, here you need to use your intelligence only. Okay, generally we need to select the central atom. Okay. Mm, Select the central atom. Select the central atom. Generally less electronegative atom. Electronegative atom will be always less electronegative atom. Select the central atom which is generally less electronegative atom. And share the total electrons in between them, in between the atoms. And one more last step is, okay, definitely what we can write, one shared pair of electrons must be kept between two atoms. Okay, I will tell you example. Complete this first.
This completed, sir.
Somebody asked me, no, go for first
Yes,
phase.
sir. Sir, in this, bond pairs means the shared electrons, sir, the number of electrons which are shared.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Done.
Done, sir. Could you move to the next slide, sir? Second slide.
Mm.
So, could you explain the third point, sir?
While
Okay, sir.
solving problems, I will explain.
Done, sir.
Mm. Okay. Done, students. Next. Next one now. Examples say. Mm, and see simply what we are going to do is simply what we can do. First, we will calculate total number of electrons, and that number of electrons between atoms we are going to say between two atoms we can form multiple bonds also. Here we need to do intellectually. We need to work. Okay, so that the molecule which are going to get to octet. Okay, in that way we are going to fill. Okay, Nana? Mm. And remember, while hello, students, can you hear me?
Yes.
Next, while writing the structures, now remember always hydrogen and fluorine. We will keep always at the last only. Okay, always we will keep it last only. For example, I will give an example. For HCN, I want to write Lewis dot structure. Okay, Lewis dot structure HCl I want to write. In this one, what is total number of electrons in HCl? Hydrogen, one electron there in the valency. And carbon, how many electrons will be there, Nana? Valence electrons, how many? 4, no? Nitrogen valence is 10, 5. Total 10 electrons are there. Now, these 10 electrons, we need to add that. So, how we are going to add these 10 electrons? See. Now, in this one, let me take hydrogen. Cn is central atom because C is least electronegative atom. As I said, hydrogen will be hydrogen halogens always at last, no? Mm. And one more thing, what I said, at least between atoms we need to place one pair. These two will become one pair, and between these two nitrons also one pair. With carbon and nitrogen, we can form two more pairs also. We can pair. So we need to know here how many bonds we can form also. If I am placing here two more pair and two more pair here. Now see, now this carbon with these 8 electrons, carbon is having 8 electrons in the valence shell. Okay, and with these two hydrogens, these two electrons, hydrogen having two electrons. So total electrons, how many? Carbon, how much then it is? Carbon already 3 plus 2 already octet completed, hydrogen duplet completed. Whereas in case of nitrogen, only 6 electrons are there. So remain overall electrons are how many? 10. So remaining electrons we can place as a lone pair. Okay, remaining electrons we can place as a lone pair. Now see, by doing this, with this we can write 8 electrons. That means just right away we are calculating the number of atoms, electrons, and we are uh, trying to fulfill octet at every carbon or every atom we are trying to fulfill. That's it. And remaining electrons we will keep it as a lone pair. That means the bond will be like this. This is HCN bond formation. Understood, students? How I did? One more I will try. See here. Lewis dot structure for CO molecule Lewis dot structure we need to write. Can you try, Nana? Students? Just try for CO. Just I'm giving you time and 1 minute I will give time. Okay, just try for this and let's see whether you are able to write or not. Students, are you trying or not? Hello? Am I kept in mute or
Sir,
what?
no,
Nobody
sir,
is responding.
we can hear.
Sir,
Uh,
we are trying.
okay. Mm. Okay.
So total electrons
Ah,
would be.
and one more point say between two atoms, no, you can share maximum 6 electrons only, not more than that. Remember this point also.
Sir, total electrons means we are getting 10, sir.
10.
Sir, oxygen valency 6, na, sir.
So now,
Carbon
so
is
total valence electrons will be how much? Carbon 4 and oxygen 6. That will be 10. So next, let me take intelligently. Carbon and oxygen we are taking like this. Between carbon and oxygen, one pair of electrons will remain as it is. Yes or no? And as I told you, by taking this, how many electrons are there out of total? There are still 8 electrons are pending. Okay, because we have given place for only 2 electrons, right? So for doing this, what I'm going to do, I told you maximum I can place 3 bonds. This is one pair and this is one pair. Total 6 electrons, no? So you keep here one pair,
oxygen.
8, and you keep one pair on the, hello, on pair
Yes,
on the
sir.
oxygen. Now see, total number of electrons, how many on it will be? By writing this, carbon also getting 8 electrons, and this one also getting 8 electrons. Therefore, original structure will be, this is a structure. Okay, you try it for NO2. Try it for NO2 minus. ట్రై చేయడం NO2 మైనస్లో. చెప్పండి అన్న. వాట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ valence electrons?
Sir, valency of electrons of nitrogen are 5
5, sir. So total
and
will
O
be
is O is 6, sir. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13.
Okay. So total 13 electrons. Now what we have, sir, less electronegative atom is nitrogen. And take one oxygen here and one oxygen here. As I told you, between we can pair one pair, no?
Sir, how 13, sir? It will become 18, sir.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so total one pair I kept. And after that, how many it can form? Remaining we need to place it as a,
Sir, why
how
we
to place,
added
no?
one,
Two lone pairs
sir?
we have to place, no? So oxygen.
Sir,
Hello?
why we added one, sir?
Now what is that anion? No, in case of anion, we need to add electron which is equal to its charge.
Okay, sir.
So now what we can write? We can place two more bonds here also, and two more bonds here also. Now say by taking this total nitrogen, how many electrons should form? 8 electrons should become, no? So next what we need to do after that, we need to place 2 to 4, 4 electrons for 8 electron done, and we need to place one more place. How
10 more,
many?
sir. 10 more.
10 more. That means what we can say here, remaining as lone pairs, no? Yes sir, no, no, no. Now what will happen here? For this auction, 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. Okay, 8 plus here. Now see total electrons how many?
12, sir.
12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
16, sir. 16.
7 8 12. 12 plus 4 16 it came. Next what we need to do by doing this, somewhere we need to place one more electron. That one more electron we can place here on this nitrogen also, it can be okay, or you can keep in this oxygen also, or you can write structure like this: oxygen, nitrogen, oxygen. So because both are oxygens, no, I have kept that third lone pair as extra in anywhere also, as it is negative charge. So from this one, what we can write? We can write N double bond O, double bond O, 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4, negative charge will be there. Okay, this is NO2 minus structure.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, for the first one, sir, can we keep one electron on each side of oxygen?
Come again?
Sir, you told like the last two electrons can keep on any side of oxygen, right?
Yes.
So can we keep one on each side?
No, no, not like that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. For example, you try this. I'm expecting this. You people will do. Try this, Nana. Tell me, students.
24 valence electron.
Valence electrons, how much we got?
24. Sir, 1 plus 5 plus 3 into 6, sir.
1 plus nitrogen 5 plus
1 plus
3
3.
into 16. 18 plus 20 to 24. Very good. Now what we need to do, this 24 electron, we need to do, right? Try to share these electrons. Let me check. Can you able to share or not?
Sir, I completed, sir.
Tell me where, what was the central atom?
Sir, central atom is N, sir.
Very good.
Sir, and side, two sides and up O, sir.
Okay. Have you googled the answer or not? What?
Sir, it is, sir, double bond.
Mm. Now what between these two one lone pair you kept? Okay, na?
Yes,
Between
sir.
these two one lone pair. Between these two one lone pair. Between these two one lone pair. Okay, so basically you need to take this and nitrogen 1 2, it can form two bonds, because nitrogen can form maximum four bonds with positive charge, otherwise it can form only three bonds only, and remaining electrons will keep it as a lone pairs, that is H bond O bond N double bond O bond O. So total how many pairs we got, it and tell me? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 pairs means 10 electrons, and now we need to share remaining electrons. So now see, on oxygen we can write 2 electrons here, so the total it will become 8 electrons. Nitrogen we can place 1 2 3 plus 4. 4 bonds means 8 electrons. 2 plus either we can place 2 electrons here, and here we can place 3 electrons. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 7. 14 plus 10 24. Okay na? Okay na, students? Okay, likewise we can write okay, electron configuration of electronic configuration, sorry, electron configuration kada. So Lewis dot structures we can write like this. One more question I will give you, because you people know how to write the structure. Okay, because on this one question we need to solve, that is formal charge calculation. We will do that. For that purpose only I am giving this. You try for H3PO4. This is last example on this. I am expecting that you people will do.
Sir, valence electrons are 32, sir.
32, sir.
Mm. Tell me, share how many bonds we can write.
P will be the central atom.
P will be the central atom. Very good.
Sir, O will be on the four sides of P, sir.
O will
Sir,
be four
central
sides.
atom is P, sir.
Four sides oxygen. Okay, and hydrogen everywhere you can write. Very good. Good guess. So total valence electrons how many, Nana? Total
32, sir.
32, sir.
valency electrons. Let me calculate.
So
3
three,
into
Sir, and
hydrogen
so
plus
3 into 1 plus
phosphorus 5
5.
plus 4 into 6 24 27 plus 32. Okay.
sir,
Uh,
every oxygen will have four electrons, sir.
so 4 oxygens, no? So let me write here. 4 places I'm going to write. And I told you hydrogens are always terminal only.
Sir, that means last.
Now say share.
Sir, why four you kept, sir?
Sorry.
Three
Sorry.
oxygen, sir.
Okay, sorry.
Hydrogen, sir.
Now place one lone pair here.
Ye- Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, up, sir.
so here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs. Okay. And we know phosphorus can form maximum 5 bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4. So between two oxygen also we can write one bond like this. Okay, na? That
Sir,
means
how do we know which you can have how many bonds, sir?
valence you need to know. That's the reason I'm telling that no. We don't have any option. We need to use
Sir,
intellectually.
how
We need to
much is the valence electrons? That many
that
bonds?
many bonds maximum basically. Okay. So likewise we got no. Now how many lone pairs we can place? Tell me here. 4.
Sir,
So
for
here.
every oxygen, we can keep four, sir.
Okay, very good. So 8 electrons we are going to fulfill.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent.
14 plus.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is
30.
about the Lewis dot structure of H3PO4. Okay, Nana? So now you can do it right. In case of O2, how we will write? Straight away I'm writing C. O, oxygen. Okay, likewise we can write, right? Hmm. Okay, so this is about the this one, Anna. Next class we will discuss about the formal charge and how these bonds are found. The sigma bonds and pi bonds, how we are going to get from that is valency bond theory. We will discuss in next class. Okay. To all of you, happy Pongal to everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
sir, do we have holidays?
Uh, how many days you want?
Two.
2 days.
3, sir.
Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, we have tomorrow Bogi and day after tomorrow Sankranti, sir.
Bogi is in the morning, na?
Yes,
There
sir.
is
Yes.
nothing in the evening. Bogi celebrations will be in the morning. And okay, no problem. Anyhow, we'll. I think from November onwards, there is no break. I think continuously all classes have been done, right? Not even holidays also. Only one day, that is on January 1st and
Yes,
December
sir.
20th.
Yes, also we have
Only
classes.
only two festivals, that too both are in on Sunday. So remaining all days, there is no holiday. Okay, so for that reason, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we'll have a break.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, sir.
Sir, is there
So
exam on Sunday?
this Sunday, um, we will be on festive mood, no? I will
Yes.
check with sirs. If not, actually, last week I kept physics and maths. Still, some people have not completed that physics. So, if anyone is there here, those who have not completed, please complete it this week. And chemistry sir also gave questions, but sir has given nearly 80 questions. So I will in that I will select important and I will keep the chemistry also. That is better this time.
Sir,
Sir,
Okay.
this time also,
Hmm.
sir.
sir, I
Hmm?
asked you to put a photo, I mean, written form of the physics first question, sir. You did not put it yet.
Wh- What happened?
Sir,
First
physics
question.
question, I'm not understanding if it's I or J, sir.
Oh, it is not clear.
Yes, sir, I messaged you, sir.
I will check. I forgot. I forgot. I will
Okay.
check. I will
After
check and
the
I will.
told, I will
I will,
complete
Sir,
the.
I will share.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
this time
Anything?
also we have a test, sir.
Which time? This time
This
means
time,
on
sir.
Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what I'm telling. Last week I kept maths and physics. Na?
Yes,
Some
sir.
people have not completed. So those who have not completed, I'm asking them to complete.
Sir, but
Okay.
sir, you said
Hmm. Hmm.
you will discuss the question paper.
Question paper?
Discussion, sir. Answers of that question.
It will be there because all have not completed. Na? That's
Yes, sir.
why the discussion was delayed.
Yes.
They will discuss. Sir, I
Yes,
will tell teachers. They will discuss.
yes, sir.
Only
We
reason
got
is
the
uh,
You
answer,
have a
sir.
question?
only reason is because of all not completed. We
Yes.
have not discussed. Okay.
Sir,
And
can
these classes will go on till even in February and March also. So if they have exams, they can take a break. Okay. And after that,
Sir,
they
we
can.
have annual exams from February
Hmm.
27 to March 13, sir.
What about others?
Sir, I have quarterly exams in February and final
Quarterly,
exam
ah?
in March, sir.
Quarterly or pre-finals?
I mean, pre-finals, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm having my finals in February, sir.
February date,
but I am having
Sir, February I
date,
have
date.
final
pre-finals
in
and
March.
again in March again annual, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Feb 29, sir.
Feb, Feb 29.
9, sir, end of the month.
Sir, February 15th, sir.
Okay. Everyone is almost after February 15th,
March,
right?
yes, sir.
How many days those exams?
Sir, 2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 12
Yes,
days.
Who
sir.
have
We have
who have
alternate.
exams? Who have exams in March? Rohan and
Yes,
anybody?
Shashank, sir.
Sir, Srinidhi. Sir,
Check.
Srinidhi, sir. Feb
Sir,
last
sir.
week and March first week, sir.
Okay.
Sir, till March 15.
Anybody else? Raise your hand. Those who
Sir,
have exams from
Sir,
February last week to March first, second weeks. Raise your hands.
Sir, sir.
Okay. We will do one thing from February 15th to March 15th. Shall we take a break?
Sir. Yes, sir.
sir,
yes,
total
sir.
break, sir.
Ah,
Sir, but then classes will complete, sir, by that time.
classes. This 120 classes will be completed.
Hmm.
That
Okay,
there
sir.
is no problem. If anything is left, we will try to take few more classes, no problem. But what our plan is, it is like we wanted to plan one bridge course after your exams, after all your exams. That is for 45 days, 30 days to 45 days. What, ma?
Sir, I have in March 3rd week, sir.
March 3rd week, huh? How many days?
Sir, I think 2 weeks, sir.
Oh, for 2 weeks, huh?
1 week and 5 more days.
Okay, I will talk to everyone after this completion of IIT Foundation classes. Okay, after that, I will fix some holidays, and after that, we will plan for a bridge course to all again. Okay, that also comes under this academic year only. Okay, so there is no fee for that. Those 45 days also will come under your academic year only. Okay,
Sir, bridge course means?
bridge course means few more important concepts which are very much needed for your upcoming JEE exams. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Sir, maths are same, sir.
sorry. Yes. Sir. Good evening, sir. Sorry.
Sir, very good evening, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sorry. I
Good
forgot.
evening.
Sir, please start the recording.
Yes, sir. Yes. It is already started. Can I start?
కొంచెం కొంటే మ్యాప్ లో లొకేట్ చెయ్యి ఏం చేయాలో
Stop recording and start recording.
Yes, sir.